Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. I'm Christine and today I want to start sharing something really personal. It's about my journey with my PCOS and my thyroid issues. It's been a challenge for me, but I know that I'm not alone, so I want to talk about it and then hopefully it help others who might be going through the same thing. I didn't know something was wrong at first. My symptoms for the recap for my last videos. My symptoms in hyperthyroid. Before I was diagnosed hyperthyroid disease, but now I'm normal. Um, After taking radioactive therapy, I become normal. I become hypo than normal, and I have maintenance levothyroxine. And yeah, let's go back. My symptoms before is having a palpitation and a lot of sweating in my lots of sweat, and um, it's hard for me to breathe and lose hair, lose weight, etc. About my PCOS, I started noticing the symptoms of weight gain and also less fatigue and mood swing and etc. There's a lot of symptoms similar with my thyroid problem. By the way, I was diagnosed because when I was 17 years old, and for my thyroid issue is when I was 21 years old. There's a changes about my body. I become chubby than to my last videos. I become thin and also my eyes is different now. Also my cheeks is so chubby now. The prescription for my PCOS when I got my HMO, I started to go to doctor and they the doctor prescribed me my PCOS and Primolut 2 times a day. And also about my medicine in my thyroid is levothyroxine. That's all for me, guys. If you're going through something similar, just know you're not alone, and I'll be sharing more about how I manage my condition and in my next video. So stay tuned. So, guys, thank you for listening to my story. If you are diagnosed with PCOS or thyroid issues, feel free to share your experience in the comment section. And also, don't forget to support each other. And don't forget, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below to notify to my next video. Thank you, guys.